Just enjoying the fresh air brought to you by our 500 CFM air purifier. Hey guys, Eric here from Innovative, home of the Protector line. Starting off, I just want to show you guys, easy to move around, very portable. You have these carrying handles, very strong. You can really use it anywhere, whether you want to have it in your house, work environment, hospital, hell, even if you have mold in a room, maybe let's say the basement, a lot of moisture, you don't want that mold, you don't want to breathe that in, it's not good. But you have the option to use it anywhere because it's an air purifier. You always need pure air, so we have the product for you. Aww. A really nice feature about this product, especially in the grow rooms, is that it has 3 different levels of filtration. Back here, it has one pre-filter, one Hepa filter that has carbon, straight from Australia, infused. That helps eliminate odors, as well as it also has a UV light. You can turn on and off in case you want that, because you have that option. As well as you have the UV light in there, and the switch to make sure that once you remove the filters, you have protection from the UV light. So whether you have it on or off, it doesn't matter, you will not be exposed to UV light, because we care about making sure that our customers are safe when using the products. Personally, we recommend having the UV light on, just because it helps eliminate extra bacteria, but in case the customer does not want to use the UV light, it's also an option. As well as we have the change Hepa filter, which means it'll alert you when you need to change out the filter. That way you always are breathing in the freshest air. As well as we also include, straight in the box, the option to vent it. So if you want to vent in clean air into a different room, you have that option with the duct. Goes right on there. Comes straight from the box. Overall, we have a pretty spectacular product here. I mean, who else is going to provide you with such a good air purifier with an industrial build? Stampings done by yours truly at Innovative, with all these different features. 3 levels of filtration. That's pretty good. Thanks again for watching our video, guys. And if you have any more questions about our air purifier or any of our other products, feel free to send us a DM or check out our website at www.shoptheprotector.com. Thank you.